Every Koro chocolate begins deep in cocoa farms under the rising sun. Gathered in bulk, the harvest begins its journey. Inside each pod lies the raw Koro cocoa beans. Fresh beans are separated, still wrapped in natural pulp. Fermentation unlocks the deep flavor of Koro cocoa. Heat and time transform raw beans into aromatic cocoa. Sun drying stabilizes the Koro cocoa beans. Each turn ensures consistent drying quality. Only the finest beans qualify for Koro production. Prepared and packed, ready for transport.
The journey to the Koro factory now begins.
Koro cocoa begins its journey from farm to factory. Through winding paths, the harvest moves steadily. Miles pass as Koro cocoa approaches industrial hubs. Precision logistics guide every delivery to Koro facilities. Urban industry welcomes the incoming Koro cocoa. At the Koro facility, precision begins at the gate. Every shipment enters under strict control. Documents verified. Proceed with the scan. All clear here from the very start.
Scan complete, you're good to go.
Every kilogram of Koro cocoa is precisely recorded. The cocoa reaches the heart of the Koro factory. Now begins the transformation of Koro cocoa. Coordinated logistics keep Koro operations flowing.
This way, bring it in!
Raw Koro cocoa enters the processing chain. Automation begins the controlled journey inside. Each sack releases carefully sourced Koro beans. High-speed transfer keeps Koro processing efficient. Inside, every machine plays a defined role. Initiating cleaning protocol in Zone 4.
Copy that.
Monitor to ensure smooth and uninterrupted production. Before processing, every bean must be purified. The Koro cleaning process begins here. Koro cocoa beans undergo their first deep cleaning cycle. Airflow removes unwanted particles with precision. Uniform sizing ensures consistent chocolate quality. Air purification maintains a clean processing environment. Advanced scanners detect imperfections instantly. Final cleaning prepares beans for transformation. Now purified, Koro beans move deeper into production. The next stage will unlock rich cocoa aromas. Koro cocoa enters the roasting stage, where flavor begins. Roasting unlocks the deep aroma of Koro cocoa. Freshly roasted beans release intense cocoa fragrance. Cooling stabilizes Koro beans for precise processing. Cracking reveals the valuable cocoa nibs within. These nibs carry the core flavor of Koro chocolate. Grinding transforms nibs into rich cocoa liquor. Liquid cocoa moves forward in a controlled stream. Measured sweetness balances the cocoa intensity. Milk transforms Koro cocoa into smooth chocolate. Refining smooths the texture to microscopic precision. Koro chocolate reaches its first smooth consistency. Conching begins the deep flavor development process. Continuous mixing refines both texture and taste. Time and heat unlock Koro's signature flavor. Cocoa butter enhances smoothness and flow. Extended conching perfects the final chocolate body. Now refined, Koro chocolate is ready for tempering. Tempering stabilizes the chocolate structure. Perfect crystals give Koro chocolate its snap and shine. Tempered chocolate is now ready to take shape. Each mold receives an exact measure of Koro chocolate. Vibration creates a flawless chocolate surface. Cooling begins to solidify the Koro chocolate. Precise cooling ensures perfect structure. Koro bars are released with precision handling. Automation maintains speed and consistency. Precision scanning ensures flawless finish. Now, Koro chocolate enters its final refinement stage. Edges are refined to exact Koro specifications. A smooth finish enhances the Koro chocolate experience. Each bar carries the identity of Koro quality. The perfect snap defines Koro chocolate quality. Crystal structure confirms precise tempering. Flavor consistency is carefully evaluated. Scientific analysis ensures precise formulation. Only approved Koro batches move forward. Koro chocolate prepares for its final presentation. Foil preserves freshness and flavor. Perfect alignment prepares Koro bars for wrapping. Specialized handling protects every Koro bar. The iconic Koro packaging completes each bar. Random sampling ensures every Koro batch meets standards. Each Koro bar is verified for exact weight. Koro chocolate is packed for large-scale distribution. Every carton is filled with precision and care. Packaging integrity protects Koro chocolate quality. Secure sealing protects Koro chocolate during transit. Each package carries traceable Koro production data. Final checks ensure shipping perfection. Automation builds stable Koro shipment pallets. Protective wrapping secures every Koro load. Finished products are stored under controlled conditions. Logistics prepare Koro chocolate for delivery. Each shipment carries Koro chocolate across markets. Distribution completes the Koro production journey. And this is how modern factories produce Koro milk chocolate from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.